how to create an event on Google Drive. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an event on Google Drive easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to googledrive.com and log into your account. Now this is the home page. All what you have to do is go to here in the side, click on this calendar option. After you click on the calendar, go down and you will find create an event here. Click on it and now choose the name of the event, how to media event for example, and click. You can add guests and fill all those informations and click save. Now I just created my event right here, as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.